Irene's studio is 1,000 square feet. It was stuccoed 12 years ago. Portions of it are starting to break off. I'll start repairing this now. The white lines that you see are a special marine grade adhesive caulk. I force that down into the cracks to help protect against more water coming in and breaking more stucco. The hole that you can see there was created by water coming in through the top. The damage occurred because of very high winds. The first step in the repair is to remove all of the loose stucco with a putty knife and a brush. Next, I paint all surfaces with a cement primer. This helps adhere the new stucco to the old stucco. Once the primer has dried, I begin applying a series of thin coats of stucco patch. Using multiple coats keeps the stucco patch from cracking.